Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Government open to review tenancy amendments but no withdrawal. 3 more mining leases to be renewed. CM Parsekar speaks after his first cabinet meet. Non-Goans to be charged in government hospitals, Minister unclear but says Goans facing inconvenience as ratio of non-Goans flocking government hospitals increasing. Government yet to fulfill promises made to Mopa airport affected people, road widening, employment assurance, good rate for land, water and power all pending. Rampant illegal cutting of mangroves at Diwar Island. Panchayat evades questions. Sarpanch prefers to be mum. Alina Saldania inspects site. And Salgaonkar Sports Club beats Kavalosi Football Club by 8-0 goals. Salgaonkar Sports Club emerges as champion club of Goa. And now the news in detail. Government is open for review in amendment of the Tenancy Act. CM Parsekar said government is ready for extension in 3 years sunset clause. However, demand to withdraw the amendments is incorrect. Cabinet under CM Parsekar met for the first time on Friday. Replying to a media question, Chief Minister informed that 3 more mining leases will be renewed within a couple of days. Meanwhile, Deputy CM is yet to look into the issue of controversial land conversion at Loli. With the growing opposition to the Tenancy Act amendment from the Congress, the LIMGP and within the BJP itself, government has given indications of review of tenancy amendment. However, the time frame under the sunset clause may be extended, but no rethinking on the cases being handed over to the courts. Chief Minister had this argument in government's favor.
No, if need be, we are open. पण जी पावलां आमी घेतल्यान ती हो कूळ कायद्याचो जो लेट डावन प्रोसिजर आसा तो एक्सपेडाइट जावचो निर्णय ह्या सरकारान घेतलो म्हणजे तो फायनल आता बदलचो ना अशातले पण एकदा आमी घेतलो लेट अस एक्सपेरिमेंट इट फॉर 1 year वर्सभर पळोवया मरे 40 आमदारांनी एकमतान हे संमत केल्ले आसा सगळ्यांच्या लक्षांत हाडून हांवें दिलें की आमी सगळ्यांनी मेळून एकमतान हो संमत केल्लो आनी त्यामुळे आता वेगळो आवाज येवंक जायना हे हांवें सांगलें वॉर्निंग प्रेमळ सूचना.
Government will soon renew 3 more mining leases. This will take the total lease renewals from 13 to 16.
येणाऱ्या 1-2 दिवसांत आनीक 2-3 महिन्याचो भितर भर पडटलो म्हणजे 13च्यो 16 जातल्यो. सायमल्टेनियसली कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ह ऑडिट अंडर द टीम ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटंट्स टू फायंड आउट इलिगॅलिटीज आतापर्यंत म्हयने आमी दीत आसले म्हाका दिसता एक 2-3 म्हयन्यान तरी गोष्टी मार्गाक लागूंक जाय.
Media questioned TCP Minister and the Deputy CM Francis D'Souza on the controversial land conversion at Loli. Fator Dayamile has accused government of violating the regional plan. Deputy CM is yet to look into the matter.
हांवें सांगल्या ना पावना पण माझी माहिती परमनंट चडशे बरोबर हाती केला पाहिजे. इट्स एलिगेशन, इट्स अ पॉलिटिकल एलिगेशन लोक करीत रावतले ते.
Government has approved the staff for the judicial officer probing the death of Mahadev Gaonkar in Agwad jail.
Principal District and Session Judge North Goa ताणी एक काही रिटायर्ड स्टाफ मागल्यात 6 जण एक सुपरिटेंडंट एक हेड क्लर्क एक सिनियर स्टेनोग्राफर बेलीफ आणि पिऊन एक ते दिवपा खातीर आज एक मंजुरी दिली आमी.
Government has decided to hold the cabinet meet twice a month. Meet will be called on every alternate Friday. Also, Minister will be available for the public in Mantralaya on Monday and Friday and twice at district headquarters in a month. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent. Non-Goans flock to government medical hospitals in Goa, and it is the locals who face a lot of inconvenience. To improve this situation, centre and neighbouring states should lend a helping hand for Goan health sector. Health Minister replied to a news making round these days that non-Goans would be charged for treatment in Goa. Minister has suggested that neighbouring states should build health centres on outskirts of Goa. Francis D'Souza has assured that no Goan will face inconvenience.
आरोग्याची सुविधा जो आहे हेल्थ फॅसिलिटीज हा पळय त्यो भायले लोक येता म्हणून ओवरलोड जातात पण आमचे कर्तव्य हा गोंयकारांक आमी सुविधा दिवपाक जाय ते आमकां निवडून दितात ते आमकां पयशे दितात आनी आमच्या गोंयकारांक जर गैरसुविधा जाली की आमी तेजेर चिंता करपाक जाय बाबा कितें करपाचें हेजेर ही चिंता सुरू केल्या आहे अजून कोणाक बंद करूंक ना हेजे फुडें बंद करपाचो विशय ना आनी काल पासून वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशनान सांगलां की आमी केंद्र सरकारा कडेन वयतले सांगतले आमची परिस्थिती हे भाशेन आहा आमकां चड पयशांची गरज आहा कॅपॅसिटी बिल्डिंग चड करपाक जाय एक तर केंद्रा कडेन कॉम्पन्सेशन मागचें ना नेबरींग राज्या कडेन कॉम्पन्सेशन मागचें पडटलें नेबरींग राज्यां कडेन सांगचें पडटलें तुमी तुमची हेल्थ फॅसिलिटीज बरे करा सायडीक हांगासर कारवाराक नाल्यार सावंतवाडी हांगासर लोक भितर सरना पळय तशें म्हणजे खूब विशय आहा हेका लागून नथींग वी आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग एनीथींग आय एम सेईंग माय सिस्टम्स आर ओवरलोडेड फॉर दीस रिजन्स So there has to be a limit. करूया एक उपाय तो सगळी सुविधा फुकट सगळ्यांक दिवं शकना.
Government is yet to fulfill demands of the Mopa affected people. Mopa Airport Bhumiputra Utkarsh Samiti had placed altogether 11 demands. Demands include basic amenities and employment for pednekars. The then Chief Minister Digambar Kamath in 2011 had directed the steering committee to look into the demands, but till now not a single demand has been fulfilled. Samiti has also slammed that former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for a meagre compensation to the land losers.
On 15 September 2011, Mopa Airport Bhumiputra Utkarsh Samiti from Warkhand Pedne had given a memorandum to the Goa government consisting 11 demands which would assist the Mopa affected people. Then Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had placed these demands before the steering committee for decision and had them to be fulfilled. But after change in government in 2012, not a single demand was fulfilled by the BJP-led government. Samiti mainly demanded that government should issue the land loser certificate to all the affected landowners along with the award of land acquisition within 6 months. But till date, not a single certificate has been issued by the government. Tenancy cases of the project affected people should be resolved, but they are not yet resolved. Replacement of existing water supply pipeline. Work is under process. Widening of existing roads and construction of new roads not yet done. Electricity substation at Mopa and Nagzar and replacement of old wires not yet done. Special courses on civil aviation at Pedne, Maye and Bicholi ITI. Government has asked bidders to set up such training centers. Directorate of Technical Education agrees to introduce civil aviation related courses from the year 2012 but still not done. Reservation in government jobs for affected people not yet done. Affected people also demanded for good rate for their land. During election campaign, former Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured a good rate to all land losers. Joint Secretary of Samiti, Sakharam Parab says nothing has been done till now.
जमनीचो दर जो ते गव्हर्नमेंट 35-40 रुपये दितात तो दर आज न परवडणो दर आहा कारण त्या भागात आज जे लोक जमीन घेतात ती लोक जवळजवळ 3000 ते 4000 स्क्वेअर मीटर दर आहा आणि गेल्या विधानसभेच्या निवडणुकेक जो आदलो मुख्यमंत्री आसलो आता संरक्षण मंत्री जालो तो तेणे जाहीरपणे सांगलेलें जर आपले सरकार येलें जाल्यार आपूण जर 300 ते 500 पर्यंत ह्या लोकांक जमनीचो दितलो म्हणून पूण आज दुर्दैव अशें की आजून पर्यंत तेजेर कांयच इम्प्लिमेंट जालें ना फक्त आशा आतां आमकां एकच दिसता की आयचो जो मुख्यमंत्री आहा तो पेडण्यांतलो आसा तेजे कडल्यान आमकां योग्य न्याय मेळटलो.
Goa government has replied to the queries of the bidders who had applied for the Mopa airport project. But till now, government has not fulfilled a single demand of the Mopa affected people. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.